Okay guys, so I just got home and I found the camera on the ground at the front door. So and then there's a note. Dear Daddy, hello Daddy, you look nice. Please come inside for a big surprise. Mommy's waiting in my room. Please vlog or you'll be doomed. I love you Daddy and our family. I can't wait for you to see Jackson. Is it Father's Day? Keren! Oh, the lights are on. Who's making all that noise? Hey everyone! Oh, hold on, let me fix that. Right now. Hey, why do I have to vlog?
Do you like my shirt?
No! No! Oh! No! Oh, no!
Hey, give me Smalley.
Jackson, are you excited? Jackson's a big brother. How long have you known?
A while.
Jackson!
Are you excited? You're pregnant!
We're gonna have a baby! Another baby! Yes!
Jackson stayed up especially for this.
Yeah, I was gonna say, it's just bedtime, but you're pregnant F. You're pregnant F. Oh.
Do you like it?
You're gonna get big again. Oh no, he's mad.
Why?
He said he's not the baby anymore.
Oh no!
Okay.
Wait, what are you doing?
It's hot.
Wait.
Yeah.
Are you excited though?
Yeah.
Give me a hug.
I'm getting...
Wait, oh my god, you're so sweaty. Put it back on a second while you hug me. Are you that excited?
Yeah. Is it not hot?
No. Because like having a heat stroke. I know.
Jackson's escaping.
Jackson, we were keeping it a secret from Daddy.
Jackson knew?
Jackson knew.
Jackson, you didn't tell me? Mean. Can I turn this one on?
Oh, wait.
Pregnant! But I thought it was negative.
Huh? It was like a few days ago. Or like, yeah, and then it wasn't negative anymore.
Pregnant! Jackson, look at mommy's pee-pee stick. Can you say pregnant? Can you read that? No, you don't want to touch that end. Here. He's like, is it real? Is it real?
Like, it can't be. It's not.
He's gonna climb over the new baby. Oh, okay.
I'm gonna put him to bed.
Okay.
But
Woo! Woo!
if you guys want to tell your boyfriend or girlfriend, if you guys want to tell your husband, fiance, boyfriend this way too, I got this shirt made and the link is down below of where you can get it. Are you excited?
Yeah.
You're so sweaty.
I know.
Ew, why'd you get so sweaty?
Jackson niece says we're having another one.